day, go back to Quito. I got 180 kilometers to go, and it's a lot of windy roads. Thankfully, I'm sort of uphill from Quito now, so there will be some downhill bits. And you know, we'll part ways today. We'll sort of, once we get to the major highway, he goes south, I go north, and there'll be another new chapter. So I'll be back on my own. Guys, slow going. I feel really nervous when I'm going like in second gear for a long time. So I'm going to go to a place called Adios with this Kombi specialist just to get my valves done. The car's running a little bit rough. I just need to change the fuel mix again. I'm looking forward to getting to low altitude. I really am. It's really stressful and I'm not enjoying it. Scenery's beautiful though. Thankfully Andy's behind me, so that's good. That was intense. I think I've just got over the hump, 4,004 meters. Andy, what a legend, man. He drove behind me the whole thing. I mean, it was pretty stressful. We just dropped over a kilometre in altitude in the space of 15 minutes, so now the car's running well. I am relieved. Onwards, upwards, woo! Right, I've just got to Ambato, and this is Jonathan, man, from Colombia. Yeah. Now I'm heading to Colombia, and he's going to hook me up with somebody to restore the body. But check out his van. I'm definitely in the right place. Wow.
That's my doggy. Tango is the name.
It's fantastic. Yeah. I found the Kombi guy in Ecuador. This is the guy, Ronaldo, famoso. Look at this. So I'm in the right place. This is it. Wow. That's not my engine. This is Jonathan's engine. Because everyone knows who's been watching this, you've seen my engine out about 6 or 7 times now. I'm being taught tonight how to make a coffee by Colombian. Every time I go to the mechanic, I have what I call a local experience. You don't get this when you're hanging out with gringos. I mean, the craziest shit happens at mechanics, other than obviously my car gets fixed. You know, I met Hori and Mauricio and all these amazing people I met. And Jonathan, it's like a scene off a movie. You know, look at it. You know, the coffee's going here. Here's the car. I mean, this is the real South America. Look, it's got a lot of gasoline right now.
Don't come.
Que delicia.
Yeah.
Delicioso.
Yeah.
I could do like a big cup like this, huh? No sleep tonight. Last night we test drove the car and it was running really well. But check this out. This is Jonathan's setup. This is a great setup. I need a slightly longer bed, I think. But yeah. Okay, cool.
Sorry for the mess.
Hey, don't worry about it, man. You should check inside my car. The cleaning lady didn't come either. And Jonathan took me out with a guy, and this guy is going to do the entire restoration of the Kombi. The body, everything. So I'm going to go and see him in about 3 or 4 days. I'll be up there, maybe 5 days. Get up there and he's going to literally, I'm going to leave it there for 3 months, come back and it's going to be brand new. Colombianos, man, they're such kind people. Really, really beautiful nationality. But this guy's special. And I have this feeling I'm going to know Jonathan a very long time. What a kind soul he is. The valves were open too much, that would explain why I had fuck all power. It's feeling good, I'm relaxed. This guy that I went to, Ronaldo, despite the fact that it took a long time to get done what I had to do, he's a bit like a racer. I mean, the guy's incredibly talented. It's slow, but the car is running so much better since Ronaldo did the valves. I mean, it's powering up, I'm misfiring. I'm still 3,000 meters, but just running really well. So. Coming to Quito now, wow. I've obviously stayed down in the campsite in the southern part. Like I'm here for the night and drive up to the north via the border tomorrow. Okay, all packed up, ready to roll. I can't believe it. I had another flat tire, so I have to get this tire fixed again. Anyway, this is it. I'm leaving Quito today, heading up to Barra, and stop off at Hans's and push up and start to move on with my plans, which are to get the Kombi restored, maybe take some time out, and it's going to be 4 months to get the Kombi restored. So I'll go back to the backpack. Hopefully I see Ingy again, but who knows? And maybe head to Brazil. I don't know. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do right now, but I'm definitely going to be heading to the States. So those of you who I know in the States who obviously watch what I'm up to, I'll be seeing you guys soon. I really enjoyed my time in Ecuador for many reasons. Personally, it's been a real eye-opener for me. I felt some things I didn't feel on other parts of the trip because of the way that things happened and the person that came into my life. That's been good for me. It's also been hard as well, but it is what it is. Yeah, 4 months with no car is going to be it's a bit strange, but it's alright. I guess it'd be good for my fitness, walking again. You know, when I was walking, I was doing 30, 40, 50 kilometers a day sometimes. Traffic jam or something's going on. I don't know where I am. I don't know how long it's going to take, but all of a sudden I'm up high and the cars aren't moving. Last thing I need to do is overheat. I hope there hasn't been a landslide or something, but something's going on. It's a police check, I think. Obviously heading up north to Colombia is a bit of a narco route, I assume, so they're probably pulling over a lot of cars. Man, in a few months' time, this Kombi will be unrecognisable. Soon there'll be a bed in there and, I don't know, a cooker and God knows what else. But anyway, moving up in the world. Woo! Right, exercise done, and today's the day I head to Colombia. The death rate in Colombia is far more full-on than the one in Bolivia. The one in Bolivia is a joke because they're not actually used. The only people who use death road is gringos on their bicycles. So I've just been advised by Jonathan not to do it. He said, in the Kombi, you know, it's fully used. There's a lot of windy roads, a lot of landslides, and in the event of an accident, you have zero chance of survival. You basically go straight down 300-400 meters. You're finished, and you can see the cars down the side of the road that have gone off, and obviously the people in them clearly didn't live to tell the tale. I'll go from here to Popayan, and then go to Embargue, see this guy about the Kombi, have a discussion. About 6 weeks ago, I was at a hostel run by an Ecuadorian-Belgian family in Punta La Vaca. And here they are. I can't believe it.
Hey, buenos días.
Ciao, Juan. I can't believe it. And they just showed up yesterday, so it's always nice to see a familiar face. Onwards, uppers. Woo! Ecuador, I'm heading to the border now, leaving Hans's. In total, I think it's 480 kilometers to get all the way up to Popayan, so it's going to take me quite a while. Probably take the better part of 7 hours. Hopefully. I've just dropped a long way down. That means I've got a long way to climb pretty soon. It's pretty tough on the Kombi, but having said that, I'm in 3rd gear, so I'm alright. Car's not fire, misfiring, so I'm trying to stay positive and optimistic, but it's beautiful scenery. Come on, Kombi! This is the border. There's a lot of people walking here up north. Clearly a lot of people from Venezuela. Shit, Venezuela's got really serious at the moment. No gracias, no necesito. And it's very noticeable. A lot of people on the road, obviously going up to Colombia, through Panama if they're lucky. And the border is very busy today. I don't know how long this is going to take. Obviously, another day, another border. Almost up. Woo!